Why is Power BI so highly rated by Gartner? And how does it differentiate from other BI tools? In the 2018 Gartner Magic Quadrant, you can see here, Microsoft is clearly the front runner as a BI analytic tool, an analytic platform rated by Gartner. And the big question is why. So let's describe Power BI and how it's positioned. First of all, Power BI is Microsoft's go-forward reporting platform. Historically, Microsoft has had many different platform offerings to handle reporting, whether it's SharePoint, reporting services, Power BI was introduced, Power View. All of those have now fallen under the Power BI roadmap. So SQL Server Reporting Services as a platform has been implemented as a paginated report under Power BI Report Server. And those paginated reports, which currently can only be implemented on-premise, will soon be able to be implemented in the same cloud service that Power BI reports are implemented through. Paginated reports still play a critical role in reporting. Anytime you have pixel-perfect report layouts that need to be implemented as PDFs that get email blasted through a data-driven subscription, you're still going to use a quote-unquote paginated report or SQL Server Reporting Service report to do that. But to implement it in the future, you'll be implementing it either on-premise through the new Power BI Report Server platform, or in the cloud through the Power BI service with that cloud capability for that report type coming online end of 2018. So Power BI is Microsoft's strategic reporting platform. Now, as I said, you can implement the platform either through the cloud service or on-premise, but the full and richest experience is always available in the cloud. You're going to lag 8 to 9 months in terms of feature functionality if you use the on-premise version. So the on-premise version is necessary for paginated reports today, but as I said, that's changing, and is used by companies who are not ready to migrate to the cloud. But your best, richest, most strategic capability for Power BI reporting is through the cloud. And so we're seeing most of our customers migrating to it, or customers who are not currently willing to, changing the tune quickly. The reason Gartner thinks Power BI is so well positioned, there are a number of reasons. One is ease of implementation. Power BI can be stood up through the cloud service with a few clicks. Power BI fully integrates with your Azure Active Directory and Office 365 footprints in the cloud, making it a very collaborative reporting tool with other cloud capabilities. Power BI supports almost 100 data sources, cloud or on-premise, making its ability to report your data very capable in terms of the sources it supports. Power BI supports data modeling itself, so you can ingest and cleanse and transform the data into the right format to report from. Or for 18 of those data sources, you can make a direct query connection to the underlying database, keeping the data resident in that data tier and just using Power BI for the visualization. Power BI can be consumed through iOS or Android devices, accessing your secure Active Directory tenant and the Power BI reports within it. And the learning curve for Power BI is quite short. People who are familiar with Excel and Excel formulas, people who are used to reporting services and its report development, chart visuals within Excel, are going to find learning Power BI a short hill to climb. It's fully positioned for the cloud, fully capable of working with all the important cloud sources, fully capable of accessing your data on-premise, full integration with other Azure cloud capabilities, and a short learning curve, along with a price point that beats all of its competitors. In addition, Microsoft's implementing new features in Power BI monthly. And so gaps that a customer might see in Power BI today may be resolved in a week. We were at a customer recently, month one, the customer identified 50 things they wanted to do in Power BI and that they didn't know how to do. We as Adastra explained how to deliver 38 of those 50 items successfully through the current Power BI version at the time, but Power BI product limitations prevented 12 of the things they wanted to do from happening. We were at that customer for 3 months. By month 3, the natural monthly product updates that Microsoft delivers through the cloud service with no patching or changes needed by clients reduce the number of issues that the client couldn't deliver on from 12 to 3. So even if there's a limitation in the product, Microsoft's continued huge investment in Power BI is going to solve those problems quickly over time and enable Power BI to maintain its leadership position over time. For these reasons, Gartner and our customers are evaluating Power BI as the best reporting and analytic platform available.